Hi guys, welcome to Wagger's channel again. What I'm going to talk to you about today is how old is too old. Please subscribe and click on that notification bell, otherwise you're going to miss something. I've got loads of videos planned, different types now, related to window cleaning anyway, but principally I'm going to talk today about age, how old is too old. Some of you might be getting a bit worried about how old you're getting. Me, I'm 66. How did I get here? Well, sometimes you just got to keep working. I do have my pension. I have a military pension as well. The money we can get from window cleaning is pretty good. Why haven't I retired yet? Well, various reasons. One of them was that the wife didn't get her pension because she was one of those waspy women. She don't get it till next year. Otherwise we probably would have gone by now. However, how can you continue when you're getting in your 60s? I got pretty unfit a few years ago. I couldn't even do my shoelaces up properly, to be quite honest. I was a bit surprised because window cleaning, it's quite a physical job, as you're well aware. All the poles, some of it you're still on ladders. I was on ladders for 20 years, and I think that is one of the things that kept me pretty fit, but it's really dangerous, as you know. Then I changed to water-fed pole, and although my upper body got built up a lot, the rest of it didn't. I started to put on a big belly, and like I said, I couldn't really do my shoelaces up properly, which was really surprising. So I decided to do something about it, and I started researching on the internet, and I came across what is called high intensity interval training. And what's that? Well, if you know what a burpee is, if you try and do some of those, you'll know all about it. Because if you've never done them before, it'll nearly kill you, which it nearly did to me. I thought I was going to have a heart attack or something, but finally I carried on doing them. Don't do any more than like every 3 days or so. At first maybe every 4 days. But what that does, high intensity training, it really gets your body going, circulation going. It's very intense exercise for a very short period of time, and that's what made the most difference to me, really. I was quite surprised at how I could handle the physical work outside after that. But then I decided to do some weights as well, although not much has happened. There is something, because what you'll find as you get older, this happens naturally, if you don't do anything like weightlifting, it's you get a muscle atrophy. It's a natural wastage of muscle, and that just begins to disappear as you get older. And you see older people begin to stoop and to have walking sticks. A lot of that is because their muscles have degenerated. And I could see that happening to me, you know, getting bingo wings and that. Well, now I've been doing weights, that's beginning to go, it's started to go away at least. So there you go, that's one of the ways you can actually do it. Next one is diet, which is a whole new subject. I've restricted my carbs quite substantially. Suddenly, big difference. Because carbs, believe me, you can do some research on the internet if you like. Please do, but make sure you get it from the right sources. You'll find that carbs are the things that tend to put the weight on. Like sugar is number one. No, that is really a poison. But I'm not an expert, but since I've got rid of sugar and stuff like that, white flour, big difference, promise you, big difference. So that's the way I've managed to get to where I am, still cope with the workload that I have. But I only have to work until next year, and that's it, it's over guys. So from then on I'll be doing some totally different videos because I won't be at work. But anyway, watch that space. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and that's how I got to where I was at my age, and as fit as I was, fit as I am now, because I decided to do some extra exercises. So anyway, there you go, job done.